Go, Becca. Come on, Lydia. All right, Katie Grace, you go over beside them so I can get all three of you together, okay? Go, Lydia. Come on. Come on, Becca. It's okay. Can you help her? Go, Lydia. Uh-oh, Lydia, Katie Grace is catching up. There you go, Becca. Come on, K-Bug, you can beat her. Huh? It's all right. Come on, Becca. You're doing great. You've been to the top before. Come on, Becca. Good girl. All right, Becca. There you go. Push, push, push. Pull that left foot up. Buddy? There you go, Lydia. Pull your foot up. There you go. Uh-oh.
I can't go up.
There you go, Becca. Good girl. Good girl. You want down? You just jump down. Lydia's coming down. Well, come down then, honey. Lydia, Becca, are you done? Come on, Katie Grace, go to the top. Don't worry about your hat. Thank you. Keep trying. You're doing great, Becca. Look at you. Come on, Becca. Move your right foot up. Your right foot, Lydia. Pull it up. There you go. You're doing great, Lydia. Watch out, Becca's behind you. All right, Becca, pull your feet up. There you go. Pull up, pull up. There you go. Oh, Becca's under your go up so Becca can go.
Not climbing that. Where did Kia go? She said, find me out some sugar.
All right, are you done? You need to hurry up.
Where we want to see next?
I don't want to see him. I'm watching. You want to climb though?
There you go, Becca. She's doing good. That's her first time.
Mama!
Lydia, you got to move your foot so Becca can go some more.
Deal with it.
Uh-oh. I'm so proud of my Becca. Look at Becca go. All right, Katie Grace, that's it. Let him unstrap you. Come on, Katie Grace. Let him unstrap you.
You got Line right there.
Good job. Whee! All right, Becca, you're done. Yeah, I think you probably are. Katie Grace, let the door shut. Come over here with your brother.
Mommy, look at me!
I see you!
Can I go on the playground with him? Can I take him on the playground?
Not right now.
Can I go on
I
the
know
playground?
it.
Can I go on the playground?
No, darling. All right, come on. It's time to go. Hop on down, Lydia. Lydia, just let go. Katie Grace, come on. Look at Becca.
Let go, Becca. Let go.
Whee! All right, Becca's done. Yay! All right, Becca, just wait right there. He'll unhook you, okay? Look at Lydia go. Where's Lydia, Janara? Look here, Lydia. You're far. Wow, Lydia's almost at the top. Look at you!
We're on the playground.
In a minute. Come here, Becca. You did
The reason I kept
awesome.
on stopping is because there wasn't no curve under it.
There wasn't. Look at Lydia. When you get to the top, turn around and look at me.
I'm not there yet.
I know.